Market Dave.
Drew's story, take one.
Hi, my name is Drew and I'm in my late 20s. I like being outgoing and to interact with people. I love films and I drive a second-hand Jeep, and above all, I like to help people. I'm just like anyone else when it comes to wanting work. I like to be independent and to feel like what I'm doing is making a difference, and I like to earn a living. However, I can say through experience that work is not just simple as having a job, it's about having the right job. During 2020 to 2021, I was unemployed, and one time during which I was trying to find work, I was told by someone about a job opportunity I could have, and when I went there, it was nothing to do with what I saw myself doing, so I respectfully declined. A bit later, I was told by the person who recommended me the job that I should have basically faked my emotions to try and get that job.
People that we're working with, there's a real realisation that it's so hard to find work, that when the work opportunity comes your way, there's a lot of that kind of internal pressure, but also some external pressure, I think, at times to take that job opportunity. Everybody knows how hard it is for people with disability to find work. So that's a really significant pressure, that if someone offers you a position, even though you know or you might think that it's not the right job for you, that's going to bring that expectation of take this job and wait for a better one to come along, or see what happens from there.
It wasn't that the job was bad, it's just that it didn't suit my need to be outgoing or to be involved with people that I could share my experiences with.
Having your first job as being a job that's not suited for you and that you don't enjoy is going to leave you with experiences that you're not going to want to repeat.
I'm not trying to say that the opportunity was wrong. I just know that I wasn't the fit for that opportunity, whereas others might find more value in that job. I was able to actually find meaningful employment for myself through my social capital and through people that I know that saw my potential.
So we had some great friends and partners who helped us come up with the concept of Here Now Next. Other community organisations, some of them people might be familiar with, Parent to Parent and Spiral were two of the key partners that we created this project with. So when we knew we were ready to employ some young people, we talked to those partners about any young people in their community of connection that they knew that might be particularly interested and well suited to the roles that were going to be created. Drew's name came up very early.
But I also found that it was through exploring what I like to do. Being in this role not only gives me more of peace of mind, it also gives me a bit more power to feel like I can actually make an impact on what I want for myself, and to be outgoing and to just have my personal values put in the forefront. Not only equity works, but we've seen the Here Now Next project pretty much evolve.
Drew's a really key part of the project. He's really passionate about customised employment, and I think from his story that is really clear about why he understands how important it is and how it can really change outcomes for young people and for everybody. So the other part of Drew's skills and interests that are really coming to the fore are his presentation skills and how interested he is in engaging people in the community and businesses.
Traditional means of employment are always needed, but I believe that we're in an era now where we're seeing more opportunities for different types of employment, and I believe that this is something that could really help a lot of people find meaningful employment. My overall goal now is to show why my story is not the only one that matters, that there are many others who have the same feelings, and results may vary for everyone, but I know where I can make a difference. And it was through people I know that helped me get this chance to make that difference possible.